Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a diagram from Droyo in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Jira, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a diagram from Droyo going here in Jira is a straightforward process. It is an excellent way for creating diagrams and visualizing workflows directly for both platforms. So the first thing that you need to do is hover to your Droyo account or open the Droyo desktop application or go to the Droyo website. From here, you might want to start building some diagram that you wanted. For example, we're going to be putting in maybe a workflow right here. Apparently, I'm going to put this in. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to the advanced or miscellaneous. I'm going to put something like this around here. I'm gonna choose a different color for this, maybe and this goes to something like orange, right? Now I'm gonna add an image here from the device, and then I'm gonna resize it accordingly so it'll fit our diagram. Right, so rightfully so. Now I'm going to click the upper left corner where you can see the file. I'm going to save it for now very quickly so we can have the updated diagram going to Jira. Right, takes a little while. Now, from here, once it's saved, I want you to hover to your Jira account very quickly. Now log into your account, click the go to Jira, and then from here we need to create something like a project. You can also create a kind of issue. Is it going to be like a task, bug, story, or epic? So I leave that to you. For example, we're going to be creating a task. All right, click on the summary. We can put in as much as information here. That's going to be adding Droyo to Jira. Of course, you can add in an image right here. And then from here, what we can do is we're gonna change the different color for this, maybe like this. Maybe click the create button here. Wait for it to load. And then the next thing is I want you to go to the application. All right, click the view issue for now. It would be forwarded to the issue that you have created here in Jira. It's very important that you do this. All right. Now go to the app section. I want you to click on the explore more apps if you haven't already. Now search for apps, which is going to be Droyo, and press enter. You see we already have the Droyo for diagrams here in Jira. All I have to do for you to be able to add Droyo here in Jira is very simple. Click this button right here that says try it for free and you would be forwarded to the section. All I have to do is start the free trial and the Droyo app will be added to your Jira platform. You see, it'll give you like the status of the integration. It takes a little while, but you will see what will happen here. All right, so I'll get back to you once the app has been added. And as you can see, the diagrams for Jira has been installed successfully. You can click the manage app if you wanted to tweak some settings or edit some configuration. It's up to you. All right. Now going back again to the project that we have been working. See this diagram for Jira. You can check some of the information here. Let's get back again to the task. Now, once successfully added, on the gear icon, you can open or add the apps. Basically, I've already added the Droyo here, you see the flowchart maker and online diagram for Droyo. And if you haven't already, just go to the apps, because I have two apps that has been added here as an integration, which is Embeds and Big Picture. All I have to do is basically add the apps again. If you haven't already, go here and search for Droyo. But basically, we have already added that. That's one way. Click on it. You see it's been added. And then from there, you can create the diagram. Now, another option that you can add a diagram here is click the add button, add content. You can search for the attachment. All right. If you search for the attachment, you can hover back again to your Jira, to your Droyo account and go to the file. You might want to export this file as an image right here. PNG, JPEG, WebP, SVG, PDF. So you have a lot of options. For example, we're going to be choosing a PNG. For now, you would be forwarded to this section. You have an option to add a border with, for example, 69. And then, for example, I'm going to click the export button. You have multiple options again here. If you have been watching our Gplat's YouTube channel tutorials about Droyo, you would notice that you have multiple options in exporting a file from your machine, local computer, or going to your cloud storage such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, and GitLab. All right, so I'm going to choosing the download option. Now here, click the add button, click the attachment right here. All right, so the attachment will be added like this one right here. And you can see the thumbnail once it's successfully attached here. Not only that, you also have an option for the adding a link right here. If you want to click the web link, all right, all you have to do is switch over again to your Droyo platform. Here you have multiple options, all right? Go to the file section on the upper left corner, click the publish, because that would give you a link for that. Wait for it to load. You need to have an authorization required, meaning you need to be an admin of this account or the Droyo account before you can be able to do so. You can also put in the public URL for the diagram if you wanted. Now, click the border color if you want and click the create. You also have an option to make a copy or a custom options. Click the create button, copy that, or if you want to preview that before you make a copy of it, want to make sure that the embedded code will be right or the public link will be right, just like this. Looks good. Now switch over, click the copy, go back to your Jira and go to the add content, click the web link, and you should be able to add your Droyo diagram to Jira without any problem, because adding Droyo directly to Jira provides numerous benefits, especially for teams that rely on visual documentation, workflows, processes mapping. And from here, you can simply share this Jira board that you have created to your client or to your team members by clicking the assignee option here. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.